Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so just lower down all your barriers, guys. Lower down all your barriers. Down, 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 more down, more down, more down, down, and down. Allow yourself to receive and perceive this call with total ease. So wherever you are right now, can you be present for half an hour, 40 minutes, right here with your body? And everything that doesn't allow you to be here, can we revoke, rescind, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all? Please write in on good and bad, POC and POT, online shorts, fires beyond. Okay, so today's topic is law of attraction versus tools of excess. So everything that brought up can be revoked, rescind, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and uncreate it all. Please write in on good and bad, POC and POT, online shorts, fires beyond. So I'm really grateful for whoever has asked for this topic and called me invited here. I'm really grateful to Vijay for inviting me here and giving me this platform to speak. So as I'm a facilitator of CF, of access, and other side, I'm a facilitator of law of attraction also. So everywhere I have to get into the verses of that, like that was not life for me. Okay, so everything that brought up, can I POC and POT? So yes, sometimes some things really show up very beautifully. So what exactly in law of attraction, what we do, we just keep on thinking that this is the only thing what I can get and which is going to be there for me. And we put all the energy in that. Okay, fine. One day I'm going to create this and I will be there. Okay. That is truly okay. That is actualizing something is totally fine. Okay. But at that same time, you are just shutting down all the possibilities what universe can create for you or what else universe can give you. Okay, so there is a difference, and in excess we just ask the universe, we just ask the consciousness to contribute to me and to create something greater for me. That's what I haven't actualized also, and you know what else is possible for me now. So yes guys, now I just want you all to come up with questions, and then how can we take this call? If you guys have any question, like how I explained you about law of attraction and this. Yes. Any questions, please mute and ask. Okay.
Well, hi Gagan.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah. So my question is somewhat related to the energy pull exercise that we do in Access.
Yeah.
That is very contrary in my universe. People have told me to even bring that energy in, and then they say that we cannot procrastinate the things. We cannot think that this has to be that. This is not making sense in my universe.
Okay. Truly agree to you. Okay. So everywhere you are pulling in as we do the energy pull, and that is something the demand you are asking for. That is the ask you are asking for. Okay, you're demanding from the universe. Universe, can I have a car? Universe, can I have a bungalow? Universe, can I have this? Okay, that is the energy what you are asking for. And other side, when you put up with a question, what will it take me to actualize to have a car with total ease now? To have a car with total ease now, or have a bungalow with total ease now, or can I go to abroad with total ease now? Can I travel all over the world with total ease now? Okay, so that's the ask. But when we put it in with the question, we ask with the ease. We ask all universe, all the elementals to start playing with that ask and start creating for us. And knowing that universe has my back.
Yeah, this is now making a bit of sense. Also, in the contrary, I was reading Divorceless Relationship recently, and where Gary talks about that if you're willing to have money, so that's it.
Yeah.
I don't want to have money.
No, want is a lack. When you are into the lack, you're not in the energy of creating.
That makes sense to me. But when I go and tell this to my parents, who know secret well, they would. My father came up with that this is not the way. You have to say positive, then you get the positive. How to explain it to him, or that moment I was blank. How to explain to even myself?
Okay. First of all, you don't have to explain anything to anyone. Okay? It's an energy. When we are talking about all this, law of attraction, or we are talking about excess, it's all energy works for us. Okay? So everywhere you're just getting into that, key, I will make people understand. No, they will get it when they get it. Okay? So if you're just going to put a lot of energy to make them understand, no, do it, and then I'm sorry, darling, it will hard for you.
Sure, it is. It is. No, it's making sense. Thank you.
No, it will, seriously. So don't make it, don't try to understand. They will get it when they get it. But yeah, of course, I want to speak about want. Want is a lack. And whenever you're in the energy of lack, you're not able to create, because at that time you're just into the it's like energy of like needy energy. There is no abundance in that. If you're going to work from the needy energy, what will you create? And how will you create? Okay. Thank you. Keep up coming up with the questions in this call. And how does it get any better than this?
Hello, Gagan.
Hello.
Hi, Garima this side.
Yeah, hi.
I have a question regarding manifestation and creating. I've been part of Access, so I'm just exploring it. So I came across that manifestation is more of a part of law of attraction, and in Access, the concept is of creating.
Yes.
So what is the difference, and how do we, actually create something or manifest? Like, what is the basic difference? How do we
Okay.
go about it?
Yeah. So can we have choices?
As it?
As it, when you manifest anything, you just manifest. Okay, fine. This is right for me. Okay. But when you have a choice, the choices are available for you. When you start choosing in every 10 seconds, okay, like what example can I give you? Okay, fine. If you are willing to have a job, or you are willing to start up with something new, okay, at that moment you are just manifesting this, okay, fine, I will have my office, I will sit there, I will have my colleagues with me, and I'm working and this and that, okay.
Yes.
But when you are asking a question, what energy, space, and consciousness me and my body can be to create all this with total ease, then the energy flows and you get the awareness at that time. Call this person and you follow the energy, okay? Or contact this person, you follow the energy. Then you started creating with the awareness and with choices.
Okay. So is this the reason that the things don't work like we in law of attraction? It is said that we think about something that like I want this money until this day and that day, and it doesn't really happen.
You
So
know, I'm so sorry, in that day and this day, and this is like very much, if someone say you, okay, I want this from this day and that day, so will you be able to have that energy of working? You will be so
it's
burdened.
actually, yeah, it's stressed out, and it's like I've done it couple of time and the vision board and everything, but nothing actually materializes. It's just
Yeah.
like it just happens in mind, and you get happy for like I think couple of days, but it doesn't happen 6 months later. So
Hmm.
how do we use like this tool of access, or how do we get into actually creating something?
Yeah. So if I'm just saying I'm manifesting something and I'm just lying on my sofa and full day I'm just sitting there and just manifesting that aja 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 and wo aa jayega. No. For that I have to be very connected to my ask, like, okay, if I'm asking this, what energy can I be to have it?
Okay.
Okay. If I'm asking this, what energy can I be to have it?
Okay.
Okay,
So you
guys.
have to keep
Be
choosing
that
that
energy.
energy, be that
Yes.
energy.
Yes. So if
Okay.
you really being that energy, the whole universe start getting, wow, she is committed to her ask.
Okay.
And now let's contribute to her.
Okay.
Okay. When you are just lying down and sitting down and just being that. If I'm asking, I'm just willing to have 100 people in my class. I'm just
Mhm.
sitting there and just asking for that 100 people come to my class, 100 people come to my class. Will it work? No.
No.
I have to put my graphics. I have to be the energy. I have to talk to the people. I have to be each and every, like every molecule start working if I just be committed to my ask.
And similarly, what happens with manifestation thing is like we want something, but we generally have an idea behind, like little nervousness that will it work or will it not work. So there is
That's a
constantly
judgment.
energy.
That's a
Yeah.
judgment. And consciousness includes everything and judge nothing.
Okay. All right. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for asking. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, according to you, asking is the only way for law of attraction, or what? Can you please tell me the difference between asking and law of attraction? Which way is better?
No.
According to you, what is law
Uh,
of attraction? I am not getting it properly. Actually, law of
sorry,
attraction. Sorry.
sorry, dear. I'm not here to tell you which way is better. I will just show you two ways. We are here for two ways. Whatever works for you, you have to choose. That is a choice.
Actually,
You are willing to sit and you have to, if you're willing to manifest and that is creating for you, it's wonder. If you're just willing to be, okay, fine, what energy can I be now to create this? Okay, can I be that energy of creating? Like, for example, if you're saying it's Lena, right? Hello?
yes, yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Lena.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, darling, if you're saying like, I have to travel to abroad, so what do you have to do?
Uh, I have two ways. First, I will ask what should I do to, what would be if that would make me ease to travel the world. Or
Yeah.
another way is that I will keep, thinking and manifest. I am sitting in that country and I'm enjoying there. I'm pleased that. So I just want to clear which way is better. We have to just keep on thinking that having dreams that
You
my
know,
dream has become fulfilled, or what? Asking.
thinking is like, okay, in law of attraction we say keep on thinking, keep on asking. Okay, in access we say the thinking is just a stinking. Okay, so there are two ways. If you're just thinking, you're just thinking. Okay, and in law of attraction we say, yeah, you manifest, you start thinking about, you just attract that and you just pull that. But in access we say you have to be in the question to create that. Just thinking can't take you there. You have to buy the tickets, you have to go for a visa, you have to pack your bag, you have to arrange everything. Your body has to work, your mind has to work to create all that. You
So,
have
ma'am, simply, can you please define me law of attraction according to you? Simply,
So
just
simply, law of attraction is according to me, like Lena, as I started the call and I said, I'm the facilitator of both the things. So I'm not going to tell you this is better or this is not. It's not my job, darling, at all. Okay, the both things are there, but the thing is that in law of attraction we have to keep on thinking about, and plus in access we keep on questioning and being that energy. So be that energy also, and start about asking that, okay, I will be going there, I will be having fun with my family, I will be moving around, I will be creating this. And other hands, you can ask this also, what energy, space and consciousness me and my body can be to create all this with total ease.
Can I ask one question?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, actually, if you start manifesting
Yeah,
and use your mind, right, that
Hmm.
also creates energy.
that's
हर
also great
हर
energy.
विचार जो है वो भी एक एनर्जी ही है, वो एक वाइब्रेशन तो है ही. अगर आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हो वो भी एक वाइब्रेशन है. तो
वो भी
दोनों वाइब्रेशन है. मगर जब यहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं नो थिंकिंग इज थिंकिंग, मतलब कि जब आप बोलते हैं ना शून्य में ही सर्जन है. जब आप थिंकिंग स्टॉप करते हो, आप अपना मैनिफेस्टेशन करते हो, करते करते जब एक समय में आप थिंकिंग को स्टॉप करते हो, श्वासों पे ध्यान दे करके, तब जाकर के आपका सर्जन होता है. फिर आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हो. फिर चलो वो कैसे जाना, वो बात तो अलग ही कि पैक योर बैग्स एंड ऑल, वो तो एक बात अलग है. पहले मटेरियलाइज तो होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
मटेरियलाइज होगा फिर हम पैकिंग करेंगे ना, उससे पहले थोड़ी करेंगे.
वही तो मैंने आपको टिकट बोला, वीजा बोला, एवरीथिंग.
वो तो बाद में होगा ना, वो तो बाद में होगा कि भाई पहले हम
पहले
मटेरियलाइज
आपको चॉइस तो करना पड़ेगा कि आपको जाना कहाँ है.
हाँ वो ठीक
इन
है.
एक्सेस में हमें सबसे पहले चॉइस बताते हैं कि वी हैव टू चूज समथिंग एंड देन वी स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग. सो मैनिफेस्टिंग इज गुड. यू स्टार्ट, क्योंकि आपकी एनर्जी वहां पहुंच गई है, आपकी एनर्जी वहां पे चली गई है. ओके, आपने वो चीज को अपना बना लिया है कि ये चीज मेरे को मिलेगी. आप एक्सेस हमको ये बताता है कि इसके लिए हम क्या टूल्स यूज करें. देखो, कुछ भी एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं है. मैनिफेस्टिंग की एनर्जी वहां पहुंच गई है और एक्सेस हमें ये बता रहा है कि अब हम क्या यूज करें जिससे हम वहां पहुंचे. तो एक्सेस या
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है,
दोनों वो हैं. सो जहां पे भी ये आ रहा है कि ये नहीं, वो जो आपको लग रहा है, जिस टाइम आपको जैसा लग रहा है कि आपने अपनी एनर्जी वहां पुट कर दी है, अब आप ये कर रहे हैं कि ठीक है अब मैं क्या पिक करूं. ओके, आई थिंक सो. अनुराधा जी.
यस.
हाँ,
नहीं बिल्कुल. मैं बस, मेरे को यही था कि दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है, दोनों अपने अपने जगह से काम करते हैं. और क्योंकि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन सीक्रेट तो सबसे पहले आया, तो लोग तो उससे बहुत सारा लोगों ने पाया है.
हाँ, इसलिए ही मैं शुरू से यही बोल रही हूँ कि मैं आपको ये नहीं बताऊंगी कि ये वो है कि ये है, पर ये चॉइस आपकी है. ये चॉइसेस आपकी है कि आप क्या चूज करना चाहोगे, क्योंकि हमने वहां पे मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया. अब वो मैनिफेस्ट करने के बाद हमें काम करना है. जैसे हमें चांद में जाना है, चांद में जाना तो ये हमारी बात हो गई कि हाँ भाई हमने सोच लिया कि हम एक दिन वहां पहुंचेंगे. पर अब उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या करना है, वो हमारा एक्सेस जो है वो सोने में सहागा है. मैं आपको ये सिंपल वर्डिंग्स में बोलूंगी.
Exactly. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
वेलकम.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, you can.
My name is Saurav.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I have a little personal question.
Yes.
So, it's like I'm doing a final year architect. I'm currently a final year architecture student. So it's a
Okay.
5-year course, and it's my 6th year. I got an year back because of my health issues.
Hmm.
So I'm currently I was just 2 months away from my degree,
Okay.
and now I don't know when I'm going to get it.
Okay.
So according to the current situation,
Hmm.
the manifestation and all the procrastination and everything is happening in my mind, and which is
Okay.
very normal with almost like I have 200 other students in my college who
Hmm.
are dealing with the same thing. It's
Yeah.
all total procrastination of when is it gonna happen, when is it gonna happen, when is it gonna happen, when are
Hmm.
we gonna be able to go back to our college, we can talk to our friends, and etc etc.
Hmm.
But the question which I have is, what's the actual solution? I tried to find out to stop the solution for this procrastination, because we can't just keep on thinking and keep procrastinating of when is it going to happen. We need to work, right? we have some work which we
Yeah.
need to submit when we are going back. So we
Hmm.
need to do that work. But not everyone's home has an environment where everyone can work. सबके घर का माहौल अलग अलग होता है.
Hmm.
तो मैम वो जो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन वाली स्टेजेस है ना, उसकी वजह से so many of my friends are there जिन्होंने अपने फोन ऑफ कर लिए, वो व्हाट्सएप बंद कर दिया, उन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम बंद कर दिया, फेसबुक बंद कर दिया.
Hmm.
उन्हें ये लगा कि यार दुनिया में अभी इतना कचरा फैल रहा है ना, और लोग ही फैला रहे हैं, कि हमें दुनिया से कनेक्शन ही कट ऑफ कर लेना चाहिए.
Oh.
And this is really happening. Many of my friends are doing it. And everyone is sitting just lying around WhatsApp group, Instagram group के memes इधर उधर करके एक दूसरे की टांगे खींच रहे हैं. ठीक है, जो लोग उस रोस्टिंग को रोस्टिंग की तरह समझते हैं वो ले लेते हैं रोस्ट की तरह. But there are a large section of people who don't know the actual meaning of a roast or a roasting session. और उनको वो चीज इमोशनली मैम इतनी ज्यादा हर्ट हो रही है कि वो 15-15 दिन तक इमोशनल ब्लैकआउट्स में जा रहे हैं.
I can truly understand what's going on and how the people are suffering. It's not that the people
It's
who
the
are,
mental health is suffering.
yeah, I can totally agree to you. What exactly is going? It's not that okay, fine, we are at home, so we are safe and all that. Because internally also we are getting a lot of things. The people are
Hormones,
suffering.
hormones.
The people are suffering there. But at that moment, can you ask this question, or can you do this favor to connect to all of your friends and just ask them what else is possible? Okay, just ask them, okay, just keep on doing this question, what else is possible? How does that get any better than this? I will give you the list of the questions. Because the first day, I'm going to tell you, the first day when I just got this news, this is going to shut down, and I asked, okay, so what if I'm not buying the lie of this reality? Okay, because everyone was panicking at that moment when first time it was announced, and that was my ask at that time. I'm not buying the lie of this reality. Okay, and what if these days are going to be a gift for me?
Obviously, I to totally think it's a gift.
Okay, and you won't imagine, it is like, it is really with this laptop, with the Zoom calls, it's the whole new universe has started showing something greater for me, because I'm not buying the reality what going on. Okay,
Exactly.
own reality. I'm asking the universe send me those people who are really being asking for a change. Okay, and I should say that I'm really lucky to connect those people, and I'm daily, this is happening, this is showing, it's not happening, it's showing in my world. So if there are youngsters who are looking for all this, I'm willing to give them a call to make them, this is not an end of their world, and we can create more than what you have not even acknowledged also.
I get your point, ma'am. I get your
Yeah.
point. But the
So,
thing is, okay,
yes.
okay, you speak
Huh.
first. You speak.
You speak. Huh.
Okay. The thing is, ma'am, my college people started a roasting page just to make people happy, because we decided that there are two ways to look at this lockdown.
Yeah.
One, you can look at the bright side, and other the negative side. So I've stopped reading newspapers, I've stopped watching news channels and etc. I've just stopped minimize them at all. Like to the
Even
extent
I'm
I
not
can do.
doing that.
Yeah. So the other positive way which I thought and me and my friends thought was, यार चलो हंसाते हैं लोग, थोड़ा खुशी लाते हैं, यादें पुरानी ताजा करते हैं, ओल्ड गैलरीज में से पुरानी फोटोज ढूंढो अपने अपने दोस्तों की और इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करना शुरू कर दो. कुछ तो हंसी आएगी, वो 10 सेकंड की हंसी कहीं तो वो इंसान को वो पुराने पल में लेके जाएगी, वो यादों में लेके जाएगी. तो क्या पता उससे उसका मेंटल हेल्थ थोड़ा अच्छा हो. तो मैंने अपना एक इंस्टाग्राम का पेज बनाया, बिजनेस अकाउंट, few days back. That is beginning of the life of a traveler. I'm not promoting that page right now. The cause is I was always a traveler, but I'm an architecture student first. So I need to complete my architecture, but my life aim is travel journalism. I'll be doing that after a few years. But the whole point of that page was to make people happy and face the reality what is going on right now. Like, you don't need to think on the bad side of the coin. You
Look,
can look at the bright side of the coin.
I'm totally agree to you, but yes, you have to be and ask more questions about. Okay, and follow your awareness.
Yes.
Just follow your awareness. It's not that you have to just be in the. You just have to be in that. Okay, fine. I'm just willing to make anyone happy here, and this is no. If you're going to try that, trust me, you're not going to create anything, because you are not able to make anyone happy until and unless they don't make a choice to be happy.
Yes.
Okay, they have to choose to be happy, then you will be able to make them happy. Or you don't have that agenda, you just being your energy, and if they are willing to follow that energy, they will follow you.
Ma'am, yes, you totally said it right. One of my post, it just said, एक 10 रुपए का पैकेट अभी 65 रुपए का मिल रहा है. It's basically a गुटखा. गुटखा दुनिया में, इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा सिगरेट बीड़ी से ज्यादा गुटखा बिकता है. गुटखे का 10 रुपए का पैकेट, it's for 65 rupees. मैंने वो पोस्ट डाला, मैम, I got 711 likes out on that event. So that 711 likes told me that people are actually listening to me and they are following it. कि यार इन्फ्लेशन सही में हो रहा है, लोग सही में पैसे के पीछे भाग रहे हैं.
So yes, you just be the energy and people will follow you. You don't take a charge of making anyone happy. Okay? You just be, okay, what inspiration can I be? What energy can I be? The people start following me, right? Not about, the leader always stand for themselves.
मैम वही तो, इट्स माय एटीट्यूड ना, मेरा लीडर वाला एटीट्यूड बचपन से था, बट मैंने कभी वो उसको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं किया.
It's not going to create, trust me. Okay, so what's this? Someone is saying,
yeah,
who has some another question?
Ma'am, yes, let's read it in the chat.
Let me do that.
Can I ask something?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I just want to ask you that do we have to create anything for anybody else, or we shouldn't do that?
Ma'am, we should do it. I think we should do it.
You should just give them a choice. They will choose and they will do. You just have to be inspiration, like, okay, fine, I'm doing this. Are you willing to choose this? You are not the one who will push them. Remember this, guys, if you're going to push anyone, they will not going to come near to you. Just give them a choice. Just be the invitation for them. That's
so how
it.
to give them a choice? How to give them a choice?
Tell them, you have this way, you have this way. Okay, what way you're willing to go.
Okay.
The choice always open the door of possibilities.
Okay, so only you have to choose for yourself, not for anybody else.
Yes. When you start changing, the world will start changing.
That's true. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Gagan,
much.
Ma'am. Thank you, Gagan, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. This is Rashmi.
Yeah, Rashmi.
So my question is, how to maintain a zone, happy zone. Basically, मेरे साथ ऐसा था, जब मैं कोई book पढ़ती हूँ, I mean, like Secret, Law of Attraction, I read all the books, and even Access Conscious में मैंने Being You, Dane Hood का जो book पढ़ा हुआ है, तो पढ़ते हैं तब तक आई एम सुपर हैप्पी, मतलब वो उस जोन में रहती हूँ कि एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव हैपनिंग. एंड जैसे थोड़े दिन का गैप होता है तो अगेन, तो मैंने जैसे एक्सेस काउंसिल जो आप लोग फैसिलिटेटर हैं, दे आर एवरी टाइम दे आर चार्ज. आई मीन, मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से देखा है तो दे आर ऑलवेज हैप्पी. तो वो जोन कैसे करते हैं, मेरे को वो मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
Get any better than this? We always being in the question. You know, I don't know how many times in a day I say what else is possible. The people who are here, who knows me personally, who are attending my calls, they're always listening this from my mouth. What else is possible? Okay, if this is happening, what else is possible? If this is happening, what else is possible? Be the calling, be the energy of that. What I'm not following this कि नहीं ये shutdown है, ये खत्म हो गई है जिंदगी, नहीं हुई है,
Right.
नहीं हुई है. और जब तक आप नहीं चाहोगे तब तक नहीं होगी, because वो आपकी चाहत से सब चलेगा. बट हम क्या करते हैं, हम दुनिया की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लेते हैं, ऐसे 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 उनकी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू उठाते हैं, उनकी एनर्जी उठाते हैं, एंड वी स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग आवर लाइफ. We start creating our life with their point of view. No, you are the one, you are the catalyst of your life, and you are the catalyst of everyone's life. You guys are awesome, believe me, but just you're not choosing whatever age you are in.
Right. Even sometimes it's happening कि मेरे को पता है कि ये जो कुछ भी मैं कोई पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में कि ये हो रहा है तो सही हो रहा है, मतलब बट वो अंदर ही अंदर एक वो होता है ना कि पता होते हुए भी ना फिर भी वही, मतलब समटाइम्स स्ट्रेस लेना या कभी एंगर हो गया, तो हर चीज पता होते हुए ना उसको कंट्रोल ना कर पाना, वो काफी एंजाइटी हो जाती है. ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, मैं कर सकती हूँ.
Who does this belongs to? Keep on doing this. Who does this belongs to? Who does this belongs to? That's it. That will create something greater. Like whenever you are getting anxiety, who does this belongs to? Because you guys are like a sponge. You keep on pulling all the emotions, thoughts, feelings. Okay? You are thinking like we are the healer and we can heal anyone. Like, no, just keep on doing that.
Sure. Okay.
And first of all, start loving you. You said now, the first thing is like to step up is to love you. Once if you start loving, I don't say here, I don't mean ki love you matlab be a mean person. I'm just thinking about myself, I'm not thinking about anyone. No, you just have to be okay, fine, I love my energy. When you start saying this, I love my energy, the people start saying love. Okay, fine, yaar. What an aura she has, or what an aura this man is having, what an aura the Dane is having. We are willing to have this. And start out creating you first. Start out creating you. Whatever you have created in your life, start out creating it. And then see the magic what you can be.
Can you explain what is out creating?
Out creating is like कि आपने ये कर लिया है, ठीक है, और आपने सोचा कि बस इतना ही करना था मुझे लाइफ में, हो गया काम खत्म. नहीं, लाइफ है तो काम खत्म नहीं हो सकता. Okay, so just be in like, okay, now I'm willing to outcreate myself. I'm the one who has created whole of this. If I'm the one who has created this bungalow, if I'm the one who has created a business, now I'm willing to outcreate myself. I'm not going to stop here.
Okay. And can we be not responsible for others?
Sorry, darling, please don't responsible for anyone else.
Anybody.
Anybody.
Whether it's your family, your children, or anybody.
Those all are distractor implants.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay, so we just have 2-3 minutes to go.
Okay.
If you have fast question,
one-
you can contact me personally. Yeah, you can contact me personally because Vijay, do you want to say something here, please?
Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah. I know a lot of questions are. Yeah, please.
Can we ask so many questions at a time? Like, how do I outgrade myself? Or what energy can I be so people follow me? Or like, we can ask so many questions at a time, or
You can ask me what question can I ask right now to create this with Totalies? Then that question will pop up, and then ask. Okay, fine.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not getting it properly. Actually, I have so many dreams in my mind. I want to do this.
Okay,
I want to
then
break
make
this.
a list. Then make a list of those dreams. Okay, and
Okay.
keep asking which should I ask first to be like. Okay, which dream can be? Is this a time for this? Is this a time for this? So wherever the energy is coming up, go ahead with that. Okay. Okay, guys. So,
one question. Like,
अनुराधा जी, ये बंद हो जाएगा कभी भी.
बहुत जैसे
No,
आप
no,
बहुत
no problem.
पूछती हो.
No problem. Vijay ji, चलेगा?
No problem. Yeah, chalega, no problem.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
So you tell me when I have
Thank
to
you,
stop.
Vijay ji. Thank you.
Can I ask you? Can I ask you question? Give. Hello.
Yeah, one
Just
by
a minute,
one, everyone,
Gaurav.
please. Actually,
एक-
you guys are having fun with this call.
एक एक करके पूछते हैं ना सब
हाँ,
सब एक एक करके
Gaurav,
पूछते हैं.
Gaurav, 1 minute.
हाँ हाँ.
जैसे है ना, आपने कहा कि हम दूसरों का थॉट्स पिकअप करते हैं, राइट?
Yeah.
हाँ, दूसरों का थॉट्स पिकअप करते हैं. समझे कि जैसे कि बाहर मंदी चल रही है तो हमारे दिमाग में आएगा मंदी है, अब पूरे वर्ल्ड में मंदी है, ये हमने पिकअप किया. मगर आपको वो पिकअप नहीं करना है और आपको अपने थॉट्स में रहना. वो कैसे होगा? अगर मैं ऐसा भी मेरे को कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि मेरे अंदर वो कैसे क्रिएट हो?
आप जब
ये मंदी नहीं है, ऐसा कैसे क्रिएट होगा?
ओके ऐसा कैसा क्रिएट होगा? आप जब ये रियलिटी मान रहे हैं कि मंदी चल रहा है, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं कि लैक हो रहा है, लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं हो रहा, लोग बिजनेस नहीं कर रहे, पर आपको आज भी बताऊं, आज भी ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत अच्छे से कमा रहे हैं और कहीं ज्यादा कमा रहे हैं जो वो पहले कमा रहे थे. ओके, सो
मेडिकल
आप
शॉप
सॉरी
मेडिकल शॉप ओनर्स.
हाँ, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ
एक्सेस वाले भी कमा रहे हैं.
Can you share a list of question?
I read on Facebook.
अनुराधा जी अभी 1 महीना फ्री है. 1
Okay.
महीना फ्री है.
I read on Facebook recently.
Naresh
I
ji.
read something.
Can I
Yeah.
see you please?
Well, I'm not in a position to show my
Okay,
face right
okay,
कोई
now.
बात नहीं सर,
fine.
कोई बात
Okay.
नहीं.
Awesome. हाँ,
You see, I read it. I think somebody on Instagram,
हाँ,
a bar dancer or somebody in the US.
yeah.
She earned $18,000, which she used to not earn by putting in 8 hours every day for almost 4 weeks.
Yeah.
She learned it in a 5-minute video, which was posted by somebody, and she got $18,000. So there are people who are getting what they are getting, what they are creating.
Creating, yeah. There are people who are creating means they are creating. And I tell you one thing, you said कि नहीं कमा रहे. Have you ever thought that इतना राशन घर में कभी नहीं आता था because लोग बाहर खाना कितना खाते थे, and now the grocery one is like they are just creating because everyone is at
Yes.
home. Yeah, so people are creating.
We are having a party every
All
day.
day.
Yes. So don't buy into that reality कि okay नहीं ये नहीं है तो नहीं हो रहा, सब हो रहा है.
गगन मैम मैं कुछ
Yes,
ऐड करना
please.
चाहूंगा.
Yeah.
Can you add us into WhatsApp group and can you share the questions which need to ask? Thank you.
सर आप चैट में
Vijay
लिख
ji,
दो ना
can you,
क्वेश्चंस.
Vijay, can you please see what's they're asking? Like, hi Brenda, nice to see you.
Hi, I just
Hi.
at the end of it.
I just want to introduce her. I'm so happy to see her here. Thank you, Brenda, for joining in. And this is a female, I should say. She's been doing a book reading with me from last 6 months. Okay. And she called me in the call, like, and she said, Ki Gagan, you know what? I have chosen this. Ki I have to feed like so many people because they are homeless and they don't have a food. And she's from Dubai. She those people doesn't have food, and I'm just willing to create something for them. And she was not having any source of creating. And can you share, Brenda, I'm really what that could really contribute to this call?
So basically, I did the call. I did the book read of Beings of Light, and actually, I was not doing that book because I thought I really don't need this information. And Gagan actually, from her awareness, said, "Brenda, you need this book. I suggest you read it." And when we read it, I just asked the Beings of Light to contribute to actually get me the money because I had to feed about 300 people. So I just said, please go and get me whatever contribution you need. And just like that, charity just came and poured in. And then I had to go and buy because I was not sending money, I was sending food. So I asked, okay, I don't have this time to go and actually go and buy the food. So can I have contribution to that? And people just came and actually donated, contributed, and actually went and picked up the food for me as well. And my 11-year-old will only use this statement of the tools in the Beings of Light book. So it was such an awesome contribution to me. I really don't know what, how much contribution it is to me. And I hope you all will also experience the same thing.
So it just basically, thank you, Brenda. Thank you so much for being here. Like it has been a contribution because everyone is like hopeless, like nahi ho raha, kuch nahi chal raha and all that. So what if you just make a choice? The whole universe has your back. Just remember this. Yeah, Brenda, are you muted?
Yeah, I muted myself, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So can
ma'am. Yeah, I'll come back to my point, ma'am. Okay, can I?
let Brenda finish first.
Yeah, sure. I thought
Brenda,
she
you
muted
like
herself.
to add something else, or
No, I'm fine. I just wanted to say, like they were also talking about creating and actually just using the statements, reading and encouraging yourself to learn at this time is the most awesome thing you can do actually to create. Because even I thought, how will I create at this time? And I have been creating and creating and creating.
Yes, thank you. Thank you
Thanks.
so much. And one more thing I'd just like to clear here. Who has said this? Ki just money is the only agenda of like creating. Like you guys can do a lot of stuff, and that could really that could really expand your life. Like, wow.
Can I also say one thing, Gagan, what I've learned? The other thing that I learned from Gagan was also to learn how to acknowledge. We have things that actually show up in our life and we don't acknowledge. So the other day, actually, someone gave me a gift. It's my birthday, and I didn't even acknowledge that I'd received money. Then someone said, "Oh, you can take this tulsi plant. You can take plants," and I didn't even acknowledge that I don't need everything in the form of money, which I was actually looking at. So we forget to actually acknowledge how we receive in other ways.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Brenda. Thank you for being here. Yes, guys.
So, ma'am, I would like to first talk about what Rashmi said.
Yes.
She said about anxiety, right? So, I personally am a smoker. I smoke 4 to 5 cigarettes a day. Used to smoke when I was in college. But as soon as I came in the lockdown, we all know that it takes 21 days to anything get chemically in a habit. So मैं 21 दिन आते 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 जो लास्ट वीक था मैं इतना ज्यादा एंजाइटी में था आई वाज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड मैं सबसे लड़ रहा था बट वो 21 दिन जैसे ही खत्म हुए आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि यार मैं नहीं हूँ ये ऐसा इंसान जस्ट बिकॉज कि मैं कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट लेता था जिसकी वजह से मेरे को कुछ ऐसा फील होता था कि वो 5 मिनट का रिलैक्सेशन था मेरे अंदर से वो मैम वो फीलिंग्स अपने आप खत्म हो गई मैंने फिर वो इंस्टाग्राम शुरू किया मैंने ब्लॉगिंग शुरू करी आई नेवर यूज्ड टू राइट
So yes, you know, when you end with something, other thing open up.
वही मैम आई ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशंस कि यार ऐसा क्या है दुनिया में जिससे मेरी एंजाइटी खत्म हो सकती है तो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ब्लॉग्स मैंने अभी तक 4 ब्लॉग्स लिख लिए हैं जिसमें से पहला गांधीयन आइडियोलॉजी पे था दूसरा था बिगेस्ट करेंसी इन the biggest currency and the strongest currency humanity.
I'm so grateful for you for sharing all this, like the people who are here who can really thought about this and ask about this. This is not a stop it, this is not a stop button for me, and I'm not choosing this stop button for me right now. And what else is possible here?
जो आपने अभी बोला पैसे की बात मैंने अपना सेकंड ब्लॉग यही लिखा द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट करेंसी इन द वर्ल्ड इज ह्यूमैनिटी everything else is a fake thing if we stopped using humanity if the humans stopped using humanity everything is a waste आज इतनी तेल के खान माइंस वगैरह जितने रिसोर्सेज हैं सब पड़े ही है ना जब ह्यूमन रिसोर्स ही जीरो है तो सारे रिसोर्स जीरो ही है.
It's like it's somewhere. Yes, we are going into some other direction because we were into excess and we are talking
Yeah,
about law of
sorry.
attraction.
Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah.
So of course, thank you so much for contributing and.
I just felt like sharing it, so
Yeah,
I
thank
did
you
it.
so much. I'm really in the gratitude you have sharing all this stuff because let us go with the call. If anyone
Yeah.
has the question
Yeah,
about
sure.
this, thank you so much. Yeah. Yes. Now, anyone has any other question here?
Nalini has a question.
Okay.
She says, I have two aligning parents in family, not treated and talked well by brother-in-law.
Okay.
And I retaliated and he doesn't listen. How to handle this?
So can she come up like it will be more easier for me to be in that energy and to talk with her and just
Let's see.
hello
Hello, Nalini.
Nalini.
No, she says her audio is not functioning.
Okay, fine. So
This is the question.
okay, so two parents of a family and not treated talked well with brother-in-law and okay, so what so you can just ask them or you can just talk to your brother-in-law or someone like to be the state like whatever is going on. You just have to ask at that time, you just have to try and talk to it out. Okay, so this is not showing up. Okay, so what are they really willing to receive from them? What I'm getting right now from this energy, I'm getting this. Okay, are they really willing to receive love from your brother-in-law? Or they have already decided he is like this and he is not going to treat us in a good way. And everywhere they have just decided that he shouts back and I don't like this and Papa is facing cancer and mom is in the depression and says, okay, fine. So everywhere might be even your brother or brother-in-law is also into some of the problem. He has his own story. Like Anjali, we can't go ahead with this because it's a different case. Okay, so what exactly is they are facing and what that man is facing and how they are treating at home, that is something very personal issue. But just you can just ask at home what else is possible here to have more ease in everyone life, like everyone get into more easily get among with each other instead of, because it has a lot of question. It's very personally, like we have to go into that what stage they are, what stage your brother-in-law is, and everything that might be he's also suffering from one or the another kind of a depression or anxiety or something. So it's what I'm getting, I'm perceiving the energy of like it could be. So if any question and unmute, okay, Vijay, you have to do this. Okay. Fine. So, okay, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I have a question. If there is a delay in money receiving, so how do we take more fast? If suppose some people are not giving money to us, our money is not giving to us. If
So
there is a delay,
what point of view you are having? What point of view you are having of receiving money? Can you receive? Can you have this point of view? What will it take me to receive money with total ease? And wherever you have decided that I couldn't able to receive money and people are not giving me, can you pocket forward all that energy?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And for sorry, Nilima, this is
Nalini.
Nalima. Okay, for her, I will just say कि what point of view you are having, like your brother-in-law will treat parents like this, and what point of view your parents are having for your brother-in-law to like they are being treated. So everywhere you have this point of view, just keep on saying interesting point of view, I have this point of view, interesting point of view, I have this point of view, interesting point of view. Like please do interesting point of view for 3 days, for your brother-in-law, for your parents, for yourself. Okay, so that will shift. What energy, like I just asked the question, okay, what tool can she use here to create something greater? And this popped up. This is how the things show up, guys. This is, you have to be. Like you just have to be asked the question, okay, what question can I ask here to get more awareness about this? And then how it shows up. The energy came up, keep on asking about interesting point of view. Thank you. I think so. I'm not clear about that. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So yes, Vijay, are we done with the time? Or we can...
Yeah, we are done. Any more questions?
Any more questions now?
Yeah, hi, Gajarashmi again. I'm
Hi,
sorry.
Rashmi.
So one more question. Basically, जो मैं zone की बात कर रही थी कि how to be in a zone, right? So
Yeah.
of course वो answer हो गया है. So I just want to say जैसे अब मतलब earlier like 1-2 साल पहले ऐसा कि मैं secret start किया मैंने. Right?
Sorry,
And
can you be louder?
Law of attraction, secret
Yeah.
basically.
Okay.
So I wrote, I mean daily magic practice करना, everything, and it's for 9 months continuous. And suddenly ऐसा जोन आया कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा बोर हो गई उस चीज से. लाइक आई फेल्ट कि क्या डेली वही, मतलब मैं लिख रही हूँ, इवन मतलब बहुत अच्छे से लिखा मैंने, 9 महीने कंटिन्यू चला एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा हुआ उस टाइम पे. बट सडनली वो बोर वाला एक आ गया कि नहीं अब मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब ऐसे कुछ ना. तो मतलब इज इट फाइन, और मतलब उस टाइम पे ऐसा क्या करना चाहिए? बिकॉज अभी भी मैं
You are a humanoid, darling. If you are into access, you know human and humanoids. Humanoids get bored very fastly. They just get bored like this. Okay. So it is okay. That energy will show after some time. Like initially, I used to read secret. I used to do a lot of affirmations. Now also I'm doing. It's not that I've left over all this. Yes, when access shown up, I've been. I used to do a lot of past life regressions. Then I got bored and I said, okay, fine. Now what else? Now what else? And you know, we are humanoids and we just get bored and then we ask about more things and then they show up. This is our quality of being that.
राइट. तो उस टाइम पे फिर मैंने वही किया कि आई मीन लिखने से ज्यादा मैं बोलना शुरू हो गई, मन में थोड़ा बहुत बोल लिया. तो आई थॉट कि ये भी काम करेगा शायद, तो इस टाइप से. हाँ, देन अगेन फिर एक्सेस स्टार्ट किया. मतलब एक्सेस मैंने कोई कोर्स नहीं किया, आई मीन नॉट फाउंडेशन इवन, बस आई जस्ट रीड अ बुक. गैरी जॉर्डन की बुक्स हैं, तो वो
whatever is light for you, whatever.
Right. Okay.
Like we have a lot of things. Like I am keep on facilitating on the books of access. Okay, so you can join this kind of clubs and you can just keep on doing those books and all that. Whatever is light for you guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Keep
you so
on
much.
choosing. Keep on creating.
Sure.
Keep on gifting. That's it.
Ma'am, I would like to add just a little thing to Rashmi's
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
The thing is कि रश्मि मेरे साथ ये सेम दिक्कत होती है. मैंने अभी बताया, मैंने ब्लॉग्स लिखना शुरू कर दिया, मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे बिजनेस अकाउंट बना दिया. बट जब मैंने एनालाइज किया कि यार इन चीजों से मैं बोर होने वाला हूँ, मुझे पता है, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपना ट्रैवल जर्नलिज्म का कोर्स है, वो इंडिया में कहीं नहीं होता अच्छे कॉलेज में. उसके लिए मेरे को बाहर जाना है, मुझे पैसे चाहिए, मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, मेरे पास एक वेबसाइट होनी चाहिए खुद की. तो मैंने एक डोमेन नेम भी खरीद लिया है. मैं अब उस पर वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग का काम शुरू कर रहा हूँ. तो ये सारी चीजें स्टेज बाय स्टेज आएंगी, बट मेरा सबसे पहला एम तो है कि मैं अपना कॉलेज खत्म कर लूं। तो ये
Okay,
कॉलेज की
so wherever you have decided कि मैं अपना पहले कॉलेज खत्म कर लूं, can you please destroy and uncreate all that?
ओके
Okay, pocket pot that energy कि पहले ये होकर फिर वो होगा. Okay, just say okay fine, if वो नहीं हो रहा ये हो जाए.
वही तो मैम, वही मैंने सोचा कि यार अभी वो डिग्री तो पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो मैं अभी कैसे पल में कैसे जीऊं। तो मैंने सोचा कि यार प्लान कर लो, वेबसाइट डिजाइनिंग में मेरे को 6 महीने चाहिए, तो मैं वेबसाइट का डोमेन नेम खरीद के रख लिया। मेरे को मिल भी गया, बिगनिंग ऑफ द लाइफ ऑफ अ ट्रैवलर.com। मैंने ब्लॉग्स लिखना शुरू कर दिया। 6 महीने तक जब तक वेबसाइट बनेगी तब तक वो मेरे पास इतने ब्लॉग्स हो जाएंगे कि मेरी वेबसाइट पे लोग आके 1-2 घंटा बैठ सके। मुझे नहीं पता उसका फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, आई डोंट गिव अ फक राइट नाउ, सॉरी पार्डन माय लैंग्वेज, बट
okay, yeah.
बट इट्स रियली कि मैंने नहीं सोचा। मैंने कहा यार प्लान कर लो, 6 महीने का तो कर ही सकते हैं, पता नहीं 6 महीने में कल क्या हो जाए मेरे को नहीं पता, बट एटलीस्ट कुछ तो प्लान करें।
Just be the energy of creating something.
Yes.
And if you are not creating anything, guys, I'm telling you, if you're not creating anything, you will be creating a crap.
Yes, exactly.
So keep on creating, keep on choosing, keep on, like, be exposure. Okay, fine, I'm not going to stop here. This is not my stop button. I am starting my life whatever it takes. Whatever it takes.
मैंने मैम स्केचिंग छोड़ दी थी, मैं स्केचिंग करता था बहुत अच्छी।
you,
मैंने
Gagan.
छुट्टियों में स्केचिंग शुरू करी है फिर से।
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So here I think so.
Yeah.
We have to,
Thank you, Vijay sir. Thank you for all this.
thank you so much, each one of you, for being here.
Thank
Okay,
you.
and one more thing I will love to say कि my calls, my classes are coming up, and right now I'm coming up with the TTE class. It's talk to the entity class and the book readings, and with the foundation also this month. Whoever is interested, you can ask Vijay to give my number to them and we can connect too. Okay. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for
Thank you.
a lot of gratitude for each one of you.